Hi, my name is Mariah Williams, and I'm going to be detailing my sales proposal that would help me to write a white paper. So, my target audience is not just one particular trainer or breeder or just one particular person, but a larger sector of the people in the barrel horse market. I want to help find ways for a smoother marketing process for these breeders and trainers, as well as just everyday people. And I really want to encapsulate and teach how to reach a broader range of clientele because there are a lot of marketing issues nowadays for barrel horse trainers, but that can also be for rope horse trainers, cutting horse trainers. And we need to kind of move forward as the world moves forward as well. So, my summary of the issue that is plaguing the marketing platforms with the horse industry is a lot of people try to sell their horses on Facebook and Instagram. And with that comes issues with the platforms alone. So, you can have your accounts removed, your ads removed. You can be permanently banned from Facebook or Instagram because it violates the community guidelines. Engagement is also trending downwards on social media due to recent changes, just a different atmosphere as time progresses. So, people who don't have a website such as where you can just Google and go to it off a Google website, they can lose out on the potential to market their horses. Buyers are also very leery of buying problematic horses, lame horses, or horses that have ridiculous amounts of maintenance issues such as hock injections or any type of injections like that. Another thing is most clients will Google you before they do a business with you. Whether that business is just coming to look, coming to ride, sending a horse to you, buying a horse from you. So having a website and a web-based profile is very beneficial. And that's why it will lead me to writing a white paper for my consumers of my business. So it would allow me to show sellers how to market without fear, widen their outreach so they have a broader, more global um, appearance on the internet. Um, I really want to present statistics over the 10-year growth of the barrel horse industry and how digital marketing has helped the industry grow. Not only do we have a wider audience from all over the world, not just the US and Canada, um, the ability to market horses on a larger scale has increased the cost of horses. Therefore, producers, which are your breeders, also your trainers, they can maximize their profit at the end of the day with smart marketing techniques. I also want to offer a system to verify horses being sold. So I would like to post their vet checks and everything like that and just have a soundness guarantee. On the website, I'd also provide survey results to the customers, such as the breeders or trainers, once a year to help them maximize their selling potential and see which way we need to um, streamline their marketing information and which way they need to go. And the reason I believe that they should choose me and they should choose my white paper information, I have participated in some aspect of the barrel horse industry for the last 15 plus years, whether that's breeding, selling, or performing personally. I also have a lot of friends in the industry. Currently, I'm working as a freelance photographer who specializes in sell ads as well as working videos for trainers. So I'm trying to get these horses marketed for them. Also, I'll utilize multiple avenues to market your product to the best of my ability. So that can be posting on YouTube for you, so you don't have to worry about that hassle when we do your videos. I can help deliver your sell ads to these bigger production sales, so that kind of cuts out the middleman for you. Also, I'll help you increase your social media presence. Thank you for listening.